Hello, guys. You know those mornings when you wake up already tired and you just know it's going to be a long day? That used to be every single day for me. I was completely dependent on caffeine. 2 cups of coffee before 10 a.m., an energy drink after lunch, and sometimes a latte before the gym. But one morning, while sipping my third cup of coffee and still yawning, I realized this can't be normal. I needed real, sustainable energy, the kind that doesn't come from a cup. So today, I want to show you what a normal day looks like for me, how I naturally boost my energy without caffeine. Let's start right from the moment I wake up. My alarm goes off around 6:30 a.m., but instead of jumping straight out of bed, I take about 2 minutes to stretch. Nothing fancy, just gentle movements. Arms over my head, neck rolls, and a deep inhale through my nose. Then exhale slowly. That first deep breath signals my body that it's time to switch from sleep mode to go mode. Before I even look at my phone, I drink a big glass of warm water with lemon and a pinch of sea salt. It hydrates me, replenishes electrolytes, and gives me a little kick of natural energy. Not the jittery kind caffeine gives, but a clean, calm wakefulness. While drinking it, I open the curtains wide. Even if it's cloudy, that natural light helps my circadian rhythm reset and tells my body to stop producing melatonin. It's my natural light coffee. After that, I do something I used to ignore. 5 minutes of movement. Sometimes yoga, sometimes jumping jacks, or just dancing in my kitchen while making breakfast. It's crazy how much that helps. Movement early in the morning oxygenates your blood, and the difference is instant. My body wakes up before my brain does. I used to have a sweet breakfast, bagels, cereal, pancakes, but those made me crash by 10 a.m. Now I go for protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This morning, for example, I'm making scrambled eggs with spinach, half an avocado, and a slice of sourdough bread. If I'm short on time, I'll make a smoothie. Almond milk, banana, peanut butter, oats, and chia seeds. No caffeine, no sugar rush, just steady energy. While I eat, I play calm music, light a candle, and stay away from my phone. I try to protect my morning from chaos. That little peace of mind is better than any espresso shot. Around 8 a.m., I head out. Instead of blasting music, I listen to a short motivational podcast or an audiobook, something that feeds my mind instead of overstimulating it. If I'm working from home, I spend the first 20 minutes writing in my planner. Just 3 priorities for the day, not 10, not 15. It helps me feel productive without draining my focus. Here's a little secret. I keep a small diffuser on my desk with peppermint essential oil. Peppermint boosts alertness and reduces fatigue. While everyone else sips coffee, I'm inhaling my energy. And every now and then, I stand up and stretch between emails. 30 seconds is all it takes to reset my focus. Around 10:30, when I used to crave another coffee, I do something different. I splash cold water on my face. It sounds simple, but it really works. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps reset your energy and focus. Then I take a short walk outside, even if it's just around the block. Moving, breathing fresh air, and feeling the sunlight, it's nature's version of an espresso shot. If I'm hungry, I'll have a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. That combination of healthy fat and protein keeps my blood sugar stable. No crash, no cravings. For lunch, I focus on color and balance. If my plate looks like a rainbow, I know I'm doing something right. Today, for example, grilled chicken, quinoa, roasted vegetables, and a bit of olive oil. I try to avoid heavy sauces and white pasta because that carb overload always makes me sleepy. I've learned that food is fuel, not just comfort. And I never eat in front of my laptop anymore. I take a step back, breathe, and enjoy my meal. It helps with digestion and keeps me from feeling bloated or sluggish afterward. After eating, instead of coffee, I'll have green tea or herbal tea. Ginger and lemon are my go-tos. Even if matcha has a little caffeine, it's so much gentler on the body. But most days, I don't need it at all. Now comes the hardest part, that afternoon slump between 2 and 4 p.m. You know the one. Your energy drops, your eyelids get heavy, and you'd do anything for a nap. Here's what changed everything for me. Breathing and posture. I noticed that when I felt tired, I'd slouch, compressing my lungs and limiting oxygen flow. Now, when I feel that dip, I sit up straight, roll my shoulders back, and take 3 deep breaths. Then I close my eyes for 1 minute and repeat to myself, I'm calm, I'm capable, I'm awake. It sounds simple, but it clears the fog instantly. If I have a bit more time, I take a 10-minute walk, outside if I can, or just up and down the stairs. Movement brings blood flow back to the brain, and yes, sometimes I chew gum. It keeps me alert and tricks my brain into thinking I'm eating, so I get a tiny energy lift. I've learned that productivity isn't about working longer. It's about managing energy. So instead of powering through the afternoon, I follow the 50-10 rule. Work with full focus for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. And during those breaks, I don't check my phone. I stretch, drink water, maybe tidy up my space. Small actions that give my brain rest without overstimulation. I always keep a water bottle next to me. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of fatigue. Sometimes when you think you need caffeine, what you really need is water. When I finish work, I make sure to do something completely non-work related. That helps me mentally separate my day. It might be a quick workout, a walk in the park, or cleaning my apartment while playing music. This transition tells my brain, workday over, you can relax now. Then I prepare dinner, something light but nourishing. Baked salmon, sweet potatoes, and steamed broccoli are my favorites. I eat slowly, sometimes with candles on. Making dinner peaceful actually helps your body absorb nutrients better. Digestion and energy are deeply connected. If you eat under stress, your body spends energy fighting tension instead of processing food. Here's the part that surprised me most. My energy the next day depends entirely on what I do the night before. By 9 p.m., I start winding down. I switch off bright lights and turn on warm, soft ones. I put my phone on airplane mode, and instead of scrolling, I read a few pages of a book or write in my journal. Sometimes I write 3 things I'm grateful for. That small habit helps me sleep better because my mind feels calm and content. I take magnesium glycinate. It relaxes my muscles and improves sleep quality. No screens, no caffeine, no drama before bed. Then I take a warm shower, put on cozy pajamas, and spray a little lavender mist on my pillow. When I finally lie down, I take 3 deep breaths and remind myself, rest isn't laziness. It's part of the process. Because real energy begins with real rest. If you told me 2 years ago that I'd function without caffeine, I would have laughed. But the truth is, my body didn't need artificial stimulation. It just needed balance. I learned that energy isn't something you get. It's something you build. It's about supporting your body with hydration, sleep, nutrition, light, and movement. And I realized that when I stopped chasing quick fixes, my natural rhythm came back. I wake up earlier, think clearer, and feel more grounded. Sure, I still have lazy days, but even then, I remind myself, fatigue is just feedback. It's my body whispering, hey, I need care, not caffeine. So that's my day, my personal routine to stay energized without coffee. If you're trying to cut back on caffeine, start small. Swap 1 cup for water, or take a sunlight walk instead of a latte break. You might be surprised how powerful your body can be when you let it work naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your no-coffee hacks in the comments. I'd love to know how you keep your energy up. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.